Hello everyone. Welcome to another series of the MSB review crew. This is Siddhant Agarwal. I blog as Sid Reviews, and today I'll be reviewing Sinbad, The Trumpet of Israfil by Kevin Mitchell. So uh, let's begin with the plot of the story. So this is the first book in a series of three books. This is the Sinbad saga, book one. So this particular book talks about the origin of Sinbad and how his story came into being. This is the reimagination of the story from the 1001 Arabian 1001 Nights, the Arabian Tales. So this basically explores the story of Sinbad before he became a famed sailor, and this is his story of how he moved through the tribulations and earned the title of Sinbad the Sailor. So the book basically talks about Sinbad, and he has 7 days to save the world from the trumpet, from the havoc that the sounding the trumpet of Israfil can actually do. So it explores the entire story of how that happens and how Sinbad actually explores his powers and his story to actually come into play. Uh, this is a story of a hero, and so moving on to the storyline. The book is very well written. It's divided into two parts. One, which is 4 years before the events of the present day take place, and we actually see how Sinbad, as an apprentice, goes through different learning experiences, and how his teacher, Master Rice, actually grooms him, and how he meets that one person who actually plays a very crucial role in the present story as well. Uh, the story is told beautifully, and there are ups and downs. We see the making of a hero, so that is there, and also we see the different stages of Sinbad. So we see him as a friend, we see him as an apprentice, we see him as a master sorcerer, and how he actually goes about his entire life. uh, we also see how he interacts with other characters. So that is very important in this book, and his backstory is actually very important in understanding why things are happening in the present context. I was actually very excited to see Jafar actually making an appearance in the book as well. That was a very interesting callback to the original stories. Uh, there are very good moments in the book as well, where we see how Jafar comes to him and tells him that he has 7 days to save the world, and he might actually have to kill the one person he actually loved. So that's the crux of the story. Moving to the characters, as it can be seen from the title of the book, Sinbad is the prime character, but we have multiple other characters who actually play a very crucial role. One being Hussein, his friend and his confidant, and then there are other mythical characters who actually play a very important part in the book. So we see distinct parts of the book actually coming along. So there is one where he meets the old man of the sea, then he interacts with an old goddess, then he also gets to deal with a giant. So those are the moments that actually define him as a hero. So that's all about the characters. Another thing that's very interesting about the book is its cover. If you see, it's very very well designed, and as you read the book, you actually understand the different elements in the cover. So we have runes on Sinbad's clothes. We have his sword, as you can see, and then there are multiple things that are hidden in the cover. Also, if when you go inside the book, you see that the artwork is really amazing. So that's another very good aspect about the book. Also, uh, the ending of the book, the climax, is very interesting, and it actually paves way, and it gives you enough food for thought to actually wait for book 2 of the series, to actually see what happens to Sinbad and his motley group, which actually comes along, and you would not have actually thought of that would be the climax. So that's very interesting of how Kevin has actually brought about all these characters. The story might not be very true to its origins, uh, but it certainly acts as a very good reading material, and you can actually imagine the different scenes as they unfold. So the storytelling is actually very very vivid, and it's very easy to imagine things. uh, relating to the characters is also very easy, because good description has been given. You can actually imagine their clothes, you can imagine their language, so that's another thing. All in all, it's a very interesting book, and I would definitely recommend it if you like mythological retellings. So that's my review of Sinbad, the Trumpet of Israfel. And I am here if you have any questions, and we can take a couple of questions as well about the book. So if you have any questions, we can take that. So if you want to ask anything about the book, uh, you can ask me. It's available on Amazon, and it's there, and it's actually amazing. I've seen other reviews as well. So overall, it's got a good approach as well, and you can also check out Kevin's profile. It's Kevin underscore 9695. If you're looking for some interesting titles from to buy, you can also check out the my secret bookshelf store. The link is there in the bio. You can get some amazing books at very good discounts as well. There is a discount going on, and the code is also available in the bio, so you can check it out. And you can also get personalized notes, signed books, and gift wrapped copies. So that's something I would like to mention. So we have a question: which is your best scene from this book? So so the best scene for me from this book was the climax, because it actually summed up the entire series. And this actually uh, tells you how things are going to pan out as well. And looking at the scenes that happened before this was something that I did not expect would unfold. And this actually talks a lot about Sinbad as a character, and his other people in the team as well. I cannot disclose more of it because it will actually spoil the suspense. But yeah, that's my favorite scene from the book. So looks like we have no more questions. So thank you guys for joining. This is Siddhant. You can check me out on Instagram as Sid Reviews, and my detailed review of the book is on my blog. You can check it out from the link in my bio. If you want to buy books, get them personalized, get them gift wrapped, check out the My Secret bookshelf store from the link in the bio as well. So that's all, and this is me, Siddhant, signing off. Thank you.